Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 is overheating and slowing down, you might be facing a CPU regulator issue. This problem often arises when the regulator fails to properly manage power supply to the CPU, leading to overheating. If left untreated, it can cause permanent damage to your device's components, making a simple fix turn into a costly repair. To get started on this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, locate the CPU regulator, which is typically near the CPU itself. Look for any signs of damage or burnt components. If you spot any, it's likely you'll need to replace it. To extract the faulty regulator, carefully disconnect any cables nearby. Be gentle to avoid damaging other components. You may need to remove additional screws holding the regulator in place. Apply a moderate amount of pressure, but ensure you don't strip the screws. Once it's loose, you can lift it out. Now, take your replacement CPU regulator and align it in place. Secure it by replacing the screws and reconnecting any cables you previously disconnected. Next, apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the CPU to ensure proper heat transfer before reassembling the back cover. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are engaged, and replace the screws to secure it. Finally, power on the laptop to check if the issue has been resolved. If it powers up without overheating, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo Legion 5. To prevent similar issues in the future, make sure to keep your device clean and dust-free, and consider using a cooling pad to enhance airflow. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.